Welcome to this short, powerful meditation designed to calm your mind and bring peace to your body. Find a comfortable seated position or lie down, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in and gently exhale. Begin by focusing on your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling the cool air filling your lungs. Hold for a moment and exhale softly through your mouth, releasing any tension in your body. With each breath, you're becoming more grounded, more centered. Inhale and exhale. Let your body and mind settle into the present moment. Now, gently bring your awareness to your body. Start by relaxing your forehead. Let any tension melt away from your face. Move your awareness to your shoulders, allowing them to drop and release any stress. Notice how your arms grow heavier, how your hands rest gently in your lap or at your sides. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, feel your chest soften, your abdomen relax, and your hips sink deeper into the surface beneath you. Your legs are fully relaxed, your feet grounded. Feel your entire body resting in complete stillness. Imagine a warm, golden light at the center of your chest. With each inhale, this light grows brighter, filling your entire body with warmth and calm. As you exhale, feel this light expanding, radiating out into the space around you, creating a protective bubble of peace. You are safe in this space. You are calm, grounded, and completely at peace. Now, gently bring your attention to your thoughts. You may notice them coming and going, like clouds in the sky. There's no need to engage with them. Just observe, knowing that each thought is temporary. As you breathe, imagine each thought drifting away, leaving the sky of your mind clear and open. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer, watching from a place of stillness. Take a moment now to focus on something you're grateful for. It can be a person, a place, a feeling, or an experience. As you inhale, feel the warmth of gratitude filling your heart. As you exhale, let that gratitude expand, bringing a sense of joy and peace to your entire being. Gratitude is the key to unlocking peace in any moment. Embrace it fully, here and now. As we come to the end of this meditation, take one more deep breath in and exhale, releasing any remaining tension. Feel your body resting in calm, your mind at peace, and your heart open. Remember, this sense of stillness and peace is always within you. You can return to it whenever you need, simply by taking a breath and reconnecting with the present moment. Thank you for joining me today. If this meditation brought you peace, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Soul Sanctuary for more guided meditations that help you find calm, clarity, and balance.